Welcome. We are solving question from GATE 2003 electronics branch. So it says that three identical amplifiers with each having a voltage gain of 50 and input resistance of 1 kilo ohm and output resistance of 250 ohm are cascaded. So these are three identical amplifiers, they are cascaded. It is saying we have to calculate the open circuit voltage gain of the combined amplifiers. So three amplifiers with these voltage gain are cascaded and these options were given. Now suppose if there is no output resistance, then we can simply say that the voltage gain of the combined amplifier will be equal to the multiplication of the voltage gain of all the amplifiers. So each having voltage gain of 50, so that combined voltage gain will be 50 into 50 into 50, which will be equal to 125,000. If you take it in dB, so if you take this in dB, then this in dB will be equal to 20 log of 125,000. So this will be equal to 20 into 5.1, which is equal to 102. But output resistance is not 0. So the voltage gain will get reduced to this output resistance. So if there was no output resistance, then the voltage gain will be 102 dB. But the voltage gain will reduce due to output resistance. So if we draw the equivalent circuit of an amplifier, then it will be like this. We will draw the equivalent circuit of an amplifier. So it will be like this. So this is a voltage amplifier with input resistance is 1K. So this is 1K. Its voltage gain is 50. So this will be 50 into Vin. So this is his input resistance 1K. This input voltage is across this 1K resistance. So this voltage gain is 50 Vin and this is 250 ohm resistance and this will be the output voltage. So this is how we can represent a single voltage amplifier. But there are three voltage amplifiers which are cascaded. So let me draw their circuit. So this is the combined circuit. So this is the first amplifier. This is the, we have drawn this circuit three times. So this is the first amplifier, then this is the second amplifier, then this is the third amplifier. So all these three amplifiers are cascaded. So this is, we have simply repeated this circuit three times. So the input voltage of the first amplifier is equal to input voltage of the combined amplifier, and the output voltage of the third amplifier is equal to the output voltage of the combined circuit, and the output voltage of the first amplifier is equal to input voltage of the second amplifier, and the output voltage of the second amplifier VO2 equal to input voltage of the third amplifier Vin3. So if we see the output voltage, Vout, so Vout, we can write Vout equal to 50 Vin3. Okay, so this is 50 Vin3 and Vout equal to 50 Vin3. But now we will find the value of this Vin3. So this voltage 50 Vin2 is getting divided into this 0.25 kilo ohm resistance and 1 kilo ohm resistance. So this 0.25 kilo ohm resistance is the output resistance of the second amplifier, and this 1 kilo ohm resistance is the input resistance of the third amplifier. So by voltage divider rule, we can find Vin3 equal to 50 Vin2 into 1 upon 1 plus 0.25. So 250 ohm we have written as 0.25K. So if you solve it, 1 upon 1.25, so this will be equal to 40 Vin2. So Vin3 equal to 40 Vin2. So if we replace this value here, then we get Vout equal to 2000 Vin2, because Vin3 is equal to 40 Vin2. Similarly, V in 2. This is V in 2. Now this is V in 1. So the output, this is output resistance of first amplifier, and this is the input resistance of the second amplifier. So again, by voltage divider rule, we can say that V in 2 equal to 40 V in 1. Similarly, because the circuit is same, so we can say V out equal to 80,000 V in 1, and the input voltage of the first amplifier is nothing but the input voltage of the circuit. So V out equal to 80,000 into V in. So V out, so this is the absolute value of voltage gain. So AV equal to 80,000. So if you find in dB, then in dB, AV in dB equal to 20 into log of 80,000. Log of 80,000 is equal to 4.9. So this will be equal to 20 into 4.9. So this will be equal to 98 dB. So 98 dB is the correct answer. So as you can see, if there was no output resistance, then the voltage gain will be 102 dB. But because of this output resistance of 0.25 kilo ohm or 250 ohms, our voltage gain has reduced by 4 dB. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you.